It's no secret that dogs adore humans. They wag their tails, jump for joy, and sometimes even bring us shoes, though never the matching pair. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? Is it because we feed them? Because we scratch behind their ears just the way they like it? Or is there something deeper, something encoded in their DNA? Before you reach for your pup to ask for answers, and inevitably get a lick to the face, let's dive into the fascinating science behind this timeless bond. Trust me, what you're about to learn will make you look at your furry friend in a whole new light. Let's start with the origin story, the Marvel universe of dogs, if you will. Around 20,000 to 40,000 years ago, a few brave wolves decided that chasing humans wasn't worth the energy. Instead, they hung around human campsites, scavenging scraps and growing less wild by the generation. These weren't just any wolves. They were the Og opportunists, the prehistoric hustlers who figured out that snuggling up to humans meant better chances of survival. Over time, those wolves evolved into dogs, becoming man's best friend long before we even had Wi-Fi to post cute pictures of them. But it's not just about food and survival. Dogs don't just stick around because we provide kibble and comfy couches, though those things certainly help. Scientists have found that dogs and humans share a unique emotional connection that's unlike any other interspecies bond. For starters, when you look into your dog's eyes, something incredible happens. Both your brain and your dog's brain release oxytocin, the same hormone responsible for bonding between mothers and their babies. That's right, your dog staring at you isn't just cute. It's a biochemical love fest. Who knew that those puppy dog eyes were actually pulling the strings of your heart and your hormones? Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. Dogs have evolved to read human emotions almost as well as we read a Netflix menu. They can tell when you're happy, sad, angry, or even when you're about to grab the vacuum cleaner, the ultimate betrayal. This uncanny ability is thanks to their heightened sensitivity to our body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions. Ever notice how your dog seems to know when you've had a rough day, curling up next to you as if to say, "It's okay, human, I'm here." That's not just instinct, it's empathy, doggy style. But let's not overlook the comedy in all this. Sure, dogs are emotional geniuses, but they're also the kings and queens of selective hearing. Call their name when you've dropped a piece of steak, and they'll come running like their paws are on fire. Call their name when it's bath time, and suddenly they're deaf as a doorknob. It's this blend of intelligence and mischief that makes them so irresistibly lovable. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but do dogs really love us, or are they just using us for food and belly rubs? Great question. Scientists have actually studied this. Yes, people get paid to figure out if dogs love us. Where can we sign up? In one experiment, researchers used MRI scans to observe dogs' brain activity when exposed to different scents, including their owner's scent. The results? The part of the brain associated with pleasure and reward lit up like a Christmas tree when dogs smelled their humans. So yes, your dog's love for you is very real, and backed by science. And it's not just love, it's loyalty. Dogs have an incredible ability to form deep attachments to their humans. This is partly because they're pack animals by nature, hardwired to stick together for safety and survival. When you become part of their pack, they'll defend you, comfort you, and sometimes even embarrass you by barking at the mailman like he's plotting world domination. In their eyes, you're not just a provider, you're family. Beyond the scientific explanations, there's a certain intangible quality to the bond we share with dogs. It's in the quiet moments of companionship, the unspoken understanding that passes between a gaze, a touch, or a shared silence. This intuitive connection transcends words, existing in a realm of shared experience and mutual trust. It's a connection that has been forged over millennia, a testament to the power of interspecies friendship. Consider the role dogs play in our lives beyond companionship. They serve as invaluable assistance animals, guiding the visually impaired, alerting to seizures, and providing comfort to those with PTSD. These remarkable abilities highlight not only their intelligence but also their profound capacity for empathy and service, further solidifying their place as more than just pets. The domestication of dogs has profoundly shaped both canine and human evolution. While dogs benefited from access to food and shelter, humans gained invaluable partners for hunting, herding, and protection. This co-evolutionary journey has intertwined our destinies, creating a symbiotic relationship that continues to this day. It's a shared history written in both our genes. Puppyhood plays a crucial role in the development of the dog-human bond. During this sensitive period, puppies form strong attachments and learn crucial social skills. Early socialization with humans and other dogs is essential for their emotional well-being and their ability to navigate the human world. This early imprinting sets the stage for a lifetime of companionship. The way we communicate with dogs is often a fascinating blend of verbal and non-verbal cues. We use tone of voice, hand gestures, and body language to convey our intentions, and dogs, in turn, have become adept at interpreting these signals. This intricate dance of communication is a testament to the adaptability and intelligence of both species. Different breeds of dogs exhibit a wide range of temperaments and behaviors, reflecting their diverse origins and purposes. From the energetic Border Collie to the gentle Newfoundland, each breed brings its own unique set of traits to the human-dog relationship. This diversity enriches our lives and provides us with companions suited to various lifestyles and needs. The impact of dogs on human mental health is a growing area of research. Studies have shown that interacting with dogs can reduce feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. Their presence offers a sense of comfort and unconditional acceptance, providing a valuable source of emotional support. The concept of pack mentality is often used to describe the social structure of dogs, and this understanding can inform our interactions with them. Establishing clear boundaries and consistent training helps dogs understand their place within the human pack, fostering a harmonious and respectful relationship. Beyond the individual bond, dogs play a significant role in our communities. They patrol with law enforcement, search for missing persons, and provide therapeutic support in hospitals and nursing homes. Their contributions to society highlight their versatility and their unwavering commitment to serving alongside humans. The ethical considerations surrounding dog ownership are an important aspect of this relationship. Responsible ownership includes providing proper care, nutrition, and veterinary attention, as well as ensuring the dog's physical and emotional well-being. This commitment to their welfare underscores the reciprocal nature of the bond we share. Speaking of loyalty, let's talk about the viral stories that melt our hearts. Remember Hachiko, the Akita who waited at a train station every day for nearly a decade, hoping his deceased owner would return? Or the countless videos of dogs reuniting with their owners after years apart, wagging their tails so hard you'd think they might take off? These stories aren't exceptions, they're testaments to the incredible depth of a dog's love and loyalty. But here's the kicker: humans love dogs just as much. Studies have shown that interacting with dogs reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and even boosts our immune system. In fact, spending time with a dog can increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, the happy chemicals in our brain. So while dogs are busy loving us unconditionally, they're also making us healthier and happier. Talk about a win-win. Let's not forget the hilariously unique quirks that make each dog special. Some dogs will chase their tails like it's their life's mission, while others will spend hours trying to dig a hole in your carpet. Some will proudly present you with the trophy of a dead squirrel, while others will stare at you with utter confusion when you throw a ball as if to say, "You want me to fetch?" Please, these quirks aren't just funny, they're a reminder that each dog has its own personality, just like humans. So what's the takeaway here? Dogs love us because of a perfect storm of evolution, biology, and mutual benefit. They've spent thousands of years adapting to our world, learning to understand us, and finding ways to make themselves indispensable to our lives. In return, we've given them food, shelter, and more Instagram accounts than they'll ever understand. It's a relationship built on trust, empathy, and an unspoken agreement: I'll take care of you, and you'll take care of me. So the next time your dog wags their tail, rests their head on your lap, or follows you into the bathroom like you're the president of the universe, remember this: it's not just love. It's science. And maybe, just maybe, it's a little bit of magic too.